Uyazi mistake eniyenzile ukuthi nihlale la. Kanti mangithela iwayini ngiseva baphambili ngikhala. Yabona abangiseva baphambili nje. Oh. Kade usopa. Abachakathi bechakatha nje usopa. Yebathakashana. Bring the worst. I am no longer the same. I'm no longer. Okhosi kabaya basela. Yabona ngoba ngimla. Ngibona imvubelo entsha. Beba imvubelo yenza noma ifika kuma taste buds abantu. Holy one. Mbelelizana mwangu wale. Namba bantu benkosi. Nkosi yami. Bendabwa yiwayi. Beka bantu bendabwa. Oh. No. Whatever my God have sent me, whoever you have sent me to, Lord, I release your power right here. I release your grace right now. I release it like never before. Let it happen here. Let it happen now. Now, Papa, I pray. Shamayala Baba Neshana. Sili Baba Yandere Beseya. Sili Bebe Yandala Baba. You wine, Baba. You wine, Elisha. Sali Puta Santagua. Quanti te la baciate ne Sangoma. Quanti te la basondaio. And you wine. Yeah. We're releasing the new wine. It has never happened before. We're releasing the new wine. Let the new wine, my God, be outpoured right in here, right now. Jehovah. Hey, yes, so much of the Ibon biting Walamekona Umban, I saw a lightning. Because of spiritual Casimono, Amazana more than before. Then the person is right in here. So can is got a seed there. Sounding as is got a seed there.